Sea trials continue. This is the galley section. This is the galley on Sail La Vie. I'm anchored out at Isla Partida at the moment. This is a brand new 3.5 quart electric pressure cooker that I bought on Amazon and had delivered to Marina de la Paz. And tonight I'm going to give it a try. I haven't used it on the boat, and the big question is, can my new electrical system run this thing without a problem? We'll see. Then next we have a countertop 110 volt ice maker. Makes ice cubes. I've had this for I think 2 or 3 years now, and it has gone up and down the sea twice to Puerto Penasco from La Paz and back, and it works good. So we're going to run that at the same time that we're using the pressure cooker. And here we have a inverter and Starlink. That's down in one of the electrical cabinets underneath the settee, which is a couch. And that is a pure sine wave inverter from Victron. And I bought that because I heard that Starlink doesn't like a modified wave inverter. Here we have a modified wave inverter that's running the ice machine and the pressure cooker. And you can see with the ice it's making 705 watts. And there's our, next to that is our amp hour on our house panel, drawing a little over 60 amps, I think, at the moment. I can't really see it right now. And here we have the Victron readout on my phone. It says 60 amps or something like that. Again, I can't see it. Here's another Victron printout from my phone, screenshot, but I can't see what it says right now, sorry. Here's earlier in the day. This is what the solar panels were pumping into the batteries, which are 20-something amps at 12 volts from my batteries, and those are the panels right there, and one on the Dodger behind me in this picture, making all that power. And here is, I made fried rice. So I made the rice first, and then I put some eggs in there and some peas, and man, it was delicious. It took, once the pressure pot got up to pressure, it took 8 minutes of cooking at a reduced power. And there's a close-up of it, and there is my nav station / dining room. So everything worked out well. Everything was a success. The inverter carried all the load of everything, and the electrical system was just pumping out the amps. No problem at all. And I have, I've been out, this is my 3rd night out. Tomorrow will be my 4th day, and I have not made any electricity with diesel fuel at all, because up until this morning, the alternator wasn't working. It's fixed, but I'm not using it. All the power on the boat for the last 3 days and 3 nights has been produced by the sun. Over and out.